Welcome to Essence of Eclectic, where the crafts are so much fun you can't stick to only one. But today it's acrylic pouring, and I am doing the May challenge. Cue picture. It has to do a ribbon pour with purple and green and up to 3 other colours. And my other colours are going to be mixing white, graphite grey and cerulean blue. And what I am going to do differently is I am going to experiment with adding alcohol to my paint. And I've never done this before, and normally you would probably do it like as you were mixing the paint rather than after you've mixed the paint. So I'm probably making a mistake there already, but nothing ventured, nothing gained. So I'm taking my 4 colours and adding drops of 100% isopropyl alcohol. The same amount, which is probably a mistake. Hey, I won't find out unless I try. So we mix it in, and it hasn't made it too thin. Good. So the Dioxazine purple is looking very nice. And the green oxide is looking rather nice. I think I might add another few drops to that one. Actual drops. That's all right. And graphite grey is looking all right. Okay, so we put those aside for the minute because I want to do some negative space with the white. Now, why am I using mixing white instead of titanium white? Well, because 2 of my chosen colours are heavier than titanium white. And while this is a ribbon pour, I don't want to, like jinx it or something by having things just not quite right. I know, whatever. Because this is a ribbon pour, I shouldn't be worrying so much about density, except that I always worry about paint density. Okay, so we have that fairly covered, I think. I will just torch it briefly because there are bubbles in it. So I'm also going to use, for the first time, my spouty cup, which should hopefully be good for a ribbon pour. So, first in the cup is the green oxide. Second in the cup is the Cerulean blue. Oh, and why am I mixing them with alcohol? Well, that's one way that people get cells. By altering the density of the paint by adding alcohol to it, which is something which is less dense than water. And when the paints are varying in densities, then because they're fluid, they will float or sink. According to the relative densities. So there they all are. And I'm just going to give it a little stir, just to mix them up a bit. Now I'm going to do a ribbon pour. And right. Not quite what I was intending to do, but and the green is mostly at the bottom, which means I want to do some more. So I will pour across like this. And let's see what we make of this. A skull and crossbones? I hope not. Let's see what the torch does to this. Well, we're getting a little bit of selling, which is nice to see. And that bit's got mostly grey and purple. And this has got green and blue and purple. And there's some interesting fuzziness happening. I'm not sure whether I should do anything more to that. I think if I did more to that, it would mess it up. So I'll leave it as it is. and we shall return when it's dry.